Want to see your archived chats in ChatGPT? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, to find your archived chats, you will need to open a web browser and go to the official ChatGPT website, or open the app if you have it on your phone. After you have logged into your account, you should look for your profile name in the bottom left corner and click on it. If you are on a PC, a small menu will pop up, and from that list you will need to select the Settings option to continue. Here, you will see a button that says Archived Chats, which you will need to tap. This will open a list of all your archived conversations, which you can then view or unarchive. And that's how you can see archived chats in ChatGPT, allowing you to find any conversations you've hidden. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.